If you're curious about AI, but don't really know how to get started using it, this video is for you. You don't need to understand how it works, you just need to know how to use it. For beginners, start with ChatGPT or Gemini. Don't overcomplicate it. You type a question, it responds. Think of it as an assistant. Recently, I rebuilt my website. It was outdated, and after 10 years as a senior editor, I needed a more professional, polished site to showcase some of my work. And I used AI throughout the process. And I even used code. And I'm not a coder, but it walked me through the process step by step in WordPress. And I was able to get a polished, brand new website done in a day. It helped me move faster and build something better. And that's the value. It can help you learn something that you may not have any experience in. But effective prompts follow 3 core principles. You have clarity. You want to be specific in your prompt about what you want. You have context. Give it background and purpose. And conciseness. Ask for one focused outcome at a time. Let me show you what that looks like in real time. Write a professional bio for a senior editor. That's clear, but it's missing context. This bio will be used on a portfolio website for hiring managers. Keep it under 150 words and confident but not salesy. There you go, less wordy. That's clarity, context, and conciseness working together. Small changes and better results. AI isn't replacing you, it's removing friction. It helps you start, it helps you think. You're still the one making the decisions. This is the part people overlook. AI gives you a draft, and it's up to you to be the human in the loop to adjust it, read it, and refine it so that it creates the output that you want. If you want to get started trying to use AI, I suggest starting with ChatGPT or Gemini and create one thing. Don't overcomplicate it. Think about what you want to create and ask it to help you. Start small, make it better, and put it out there. That's how you actually use AI. And this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you how to take one idea and create multiple useful outputs using better prompt structure. And as these tools continue to evolve, I'll keep posting videos.